This is a 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include heated seats, Bluetooth cell phone integration, an intercooled turbocharger, leather seats, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, traction control, and this vehicle has less than 14,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Thank you for viewing this video brought to you by the McGrath family of dealerships. We have thousands of vehicles to choose from, all in the Cedar Rapids, Iowa City corridor area. Visit our website at mcgrathauto.com or call one of our 7 dealerships. We look forward to serving you.